In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat using your Microsoft account. This is a great way to communicate with multiple people at once, whether it's for work, a study group, planning an event, or just staying in touch with family and friends. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into your Microsoft account. If you haven't used Microsoft for messaging before, make sure you have your account details ready. You'll need your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main interface, where you'll find all the tools and features at your disposal. Now, direct your attention to the interface where you can see an option that says New Chat. This is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen, quite prominent for easy access. Click on this button to initiate setting up your new group chat. This action will open a few more options to further customize your chat. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small arrow pointing downwards. Click this arrow icon to unveil additional options that allow you to name your group and decide who you want to add. It's crucial to have a meaningful and clear group name so everyone invited will easily recognize the purpose of the chat. This is especially helpful in keeping all your chats organized and making them easily accessible when you need them. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to add participants to your group. You can add people by typing their email addresses into the designated field. Microsoft allows you to add multiple participants, so feel free to include everyone necessary for your discussion. As you type in each email, their name will appear in the field below if they're already a contact, simplifying the process even more. With everyone added, take a moment to review your setup. Make sure the group name is correct and everyone you want is included. It's much easier to tweak these details at this stage than after you've started the conversation. Now that your group is set up, it's time to send your first message. Click on the text area towards the bottom of your screen where the message bar is located. Here you can type out your initial message to the group. This could be a greeting, an explanation of why the group was created, or anything relevant to get the conversation started. When your message is ready, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. And just like that, your Microsoft group chat is live and ready for interaction. Feel free to explore additional features within the chat, such as sending files, emojis, or scheduling meetings, all of which can make your chat even more interactive and productive. Be sure to check your messages regularly to stay updated with any responses from your group members. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've created a functional group chat tailored to your needs. Enjoy your conversations and the convenience of seamless communication with everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.